Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and today I wanted to go over the importance of the most important roll you can do, or the roll that will give you the biggest bang for your buck, and it's the frog roll. This is my favorite roll, one because it feels good, but two because it gives you strength. It makes everything about how you move better. It can help you crawl better, help you walk better, help you run better. If you're a martial artist, you want to talk about punching power and kicking power. It's in the frog roll. So if you don't know, or you don't remember, or you haven't seen those videos, the frog roll is simply sitting here up on your forearms like you're watching TV when you're a kid. You look over your shoulder, you touch same side elbow to knee, you extend that knee, and it pulls you up to sitting, and then there you are. And then you just go back to where you came from. So use your eyes in your head to look behind you, reach behind you, touch your same side elbow to knee, and then unravel. And that's the most important part right there. So when we go from here to here, we want to be able to control every nook and cranny of this unraveling to place ourselves back on the ground. And that is where you develop all your strength through here, your strength and control. And this is where the punching power and the kicking power come from. So if you play with your frog roll and you get really good at controlling it in slow motion, sky's the limit. You will move like Muhammad Ali, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, and it feels amazing. And you gotta, it feels pretty. Like it's neat to watch, but it actually feels like a beautiful movement. And again, it makes everything else about how you move better. And it can really help with your Spider-Man crawl. If you do Spider-Man crawl, look, same side elbow to knee. You don't have to touch when you Spider-Man crawl, but I mean, there's the pattern, right? So same side elbow to knee, there's the pattern. So really, the frog roll is your gate pattern. But anyway, guys, that is the tip today. Get familiar and good at owning your frog roll. Feels good, makes you strong, powerful, and a beautiful mover. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.